Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. To replace the defrost heater in this KitchenAid refrigerator, you will need a flathead screwdriver, a small flathead screwdriver, a 1/4-inch nut driver, a magnetized 1/4-inch nut driver, and needle nose pliers. Before you begin the procedure, unplug the appliance's power cord. Open the freezer drawer and use the small flathead screwdriver to pry the left slide rail tab away from the liner enough to release the drawer stop. Do the same to release the right drawer stop. With the stops out, you can fully remove the upper drawer. Next, use the 1/4-inch nut driver to loosen the 2 screws securing the drawer front. Lift the drawer front off the drawer glides and set it aside. You can now lift the lower drawer up and squeeze the sides in to release it from the glides. Use the flathead screwdriver to help pry apart the shaft retainer clip so you can slide it to the left. You can now lift the shaft up and out. Using the flathead screwdriver, depress the 3 retaining tabs inward to release the freezer outlet duct. Depress the retaining tab to release the temperature sensor cover from the evaporator access panel. Detach the sensor from the cover. Using the 1/4-inch nut driver, unthread the 4 screws securing the evaporator access panel. Set the access panel aside. Detach the 2 grounding clips from the evaporator. Using the magnetized 1/4-inch nut driver, unthread the 2 screws securing the evaporator assembly to the rear liner. With the screws unthreaded, carefully pull the assembly forward and detach the drain trough. Disconnect the 2 defrost heater wire connectors. Use the needle nose pliers to detach the 2 wire retainers from the evaporator frame and remove the grommets. Detach the 2 lower retaining wires. You can now pull the old defrost heater free. To install the new defrost heater, position it on the evaporator. Secure it with the 2 retaining wires. Reposition the grommets and snap the wire retainers into place. Connect the 2 defrost heater wire connectors. Realign the drain trough. Reposition the evaporator and thread the 2 screws to secure. Attach the 2 grounding clips to the evaporator housing. Partially reposition the access panel, making sure the sensor wire is seated in the upper left notch. Fully position the panel and rethread the 4 screws to secure. Snap the sensor into place in the cover, then align and snap the cover into place on the access panel. Realign the outlet duct on the panel and snap it into place. Confirm the shaft retainer clip is on the shaft. Insert the left end of the shaft into the left side gear. Position the right end of the shaft in the right side gear and snap the retainer clip into place to secure. Reinstall the drawer by aligning it on the glides, making sure the rear hooks are secured under the glides. Then set the drawer in place. Reposition the drawer front on the glides and tighten the screws. Reinstall the upper freezer drawer by aligning the rear rollers on the track and the front rollers on the lower drawer. Then push the drawer in. Snap both drawer stops into place to secure. Plug the power cord back in, and the refrigerator should be ready for use.